Verb.
A verb is a word used to describe an action.
In simple words, verb is an action word. Am I right?
That's right. Verb comes from the Latin word verbum. It is so called because it's the most important word in a sentence. A verb may tell us what a person or thing does. Hari laughs. Sita eats. Here the words laugh and eat indicate verb. A verb may also tell what is done to a person or thing. The window is broken. The cat is chased by a dog. Here broken and chased are verbs. Look at the scenes happening in a house. Say a few sentences with verbs you see in this picture.
Father is reading newspaper. Grandfather is watching TV. Mother is cooking in the kitchen. Girl is eating an apple. Boy is playing. Grandmother is cutting the vegetables.
Very good. In these sentences, the words reading, watching, cooking, eating, playing, cutting are all the verbs. Tense means time. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. There are three basic tenses in English. They are the present, past, and future. Let us first see simple present tense. A verb that refers to present time is said to be present tense. That is, it describes that the simple action or condition occurs in the present. I always drink milk. I write my homework in the evening. Here, the verb write mentions the present time. The simple present tense comes with the following time adverbials: every day, often, never, on Sundays, always, seldom, once a week, usually, rarely, every now and then, twice a year. Every day she plays with her friend. He loves her mother. Rani lives in a village. The sun rises in the east. Usually, Raju comes by bus. Note that simple present verb takes s or es at the end when it comes after he, she, it, and any names of a person or thing. Let's now see the simple past tense. A verb that denotes the completed action is said to be simple past tense. Usually, a d-red is added to the root verb to put it in the past. However, there are many irregular verbs. Raghu ate ice cream yesterday. She walked a very long distance.
The verb walked means the action has been already done.
Now we shall see future tense. A verb that refers to the action that's going to happen later is called simple future tense. Anand will sing a song tomorrow. My relatives will come by train. The verb will come means the action that's going to happen. We shall see some verbs with their tenses.
Do, did, will do. Go, went, will go. Come, came, will come. Sit, sat, will sit. Run, ran, will run. eat, ate, will eat.
See, saw, will see. Take, took, will take. Give, gave, will give. Say, said, will say.
The past tense is entirely different in all the words, and the future tense is just adding will or shall before the present tense.
However, some words do not change in their tenses. Cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Hit, hit, hit. Read, read, read. Shut, shut, shut. Let, let, let. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Cost, cost, cost. Set, set, set.
The tense is quite interesting.
That's right. You're right. Correct answer. Correct answer. Correct answer. You're right. Correct answer. You're right. Correct answer. Correct answer. You're right. 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 You're right.
Punctuations. We know full stop comes at the end of every sentence. It is also used in abbreviations. MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. USA, United States of America. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Comma is used to separate words or phrases. When just a pause has to be made while reading, a comma sign is used. I waited for my friend, but he did not come. In this sentence, we give a pause after friend, so we use a comma. How are you, Mohan? Sachin, a cricketer, is a world-famous man. Men may come, men may go, but I go on forever. His behavior in the school is always good. This symbol is called apostrophe. Use an apostrophe in the place of a letter or letters that have been left out of a contraction. Do not can be written as don't. Add an apostrophe and s to singular nouns to show possession. Ram's pen is blue color. Beena's mother lives in Chennai. The dog's leg is wounded. The mango tree's branch fell on the road. This is called exclamation mark. It is used after words, phrases, and sentences expressing sudden emotion or wish. Hooray! Our team has won the match. In this sentence, the word hooray shows an emotion, so the exclamation mark is used. Good heavens! He escaped from an accident. What a huge elephant this is. Long live the king. Note the exclamation mark used at the end of the sentence instead of a full stop.
Articles.
Article is a word that is used to make something definite or clear. There are three articles in English: a, an, the.
A and an are known as indefinite articles.
The is known as definite article. The definite article is used to speak about a noun that is already known, heard, or identified. The cat is on the mat. Here we specify a particular cat lying on a particular mat. A is used before all words beginning with a consonant sound. She eats a loaf of bread. An is used before all words beginning with a vowel sound. That is before A, E, I, O, U. He has an umbrella. I want to see an elephant. The program was over an hour ago. I have a doubt here. H is not a vowel. How does and come before the word are? In the word are, H is silent and the word is pronounced like beginning with a vowel. Look at this airport. Make some sentences from this picture. This is an aeroplane. The man is pulling a trolley. Look, a girl is eating a chocolate. The passengers are waiting in a queue. What is the arrival time of the flight? A pilot is a man who drives a plane. Very good. Everything is right. Yay!